So today I just wanted to quickly talk about design ease and wearing ease because it's something that sounds very similar and there is a slight difference in them, and it's really helpful to know so that you can understand your sewing patterns better and also understand how to create sewing patterns better. So there are two types of ease, as I've said, design ease and wearing ease. Now, wearing ease tends to be incorporated already into your blocks. So this is one of the bodice blocks, and depending on what blocks you're using will depend how much ease is in them. So you will tend to find there are easy fitting blocks, which is what these are, and there are also more fitted blocks. And depending on what you're creating will depend on what blocks you will start with. So with a more easy fitting block, there is more ease added into the block. So what that actually means is, instead of your bust measurement being your exact bust measurement as if your tape measure is typed on your body, there is a little bit of extra room added into the block. So it means that you'll be able to move better in it, and that is why it's called a wearing ease, because it makes it easier to move in it. Now obviously with a fitted garment like a wedding dress or like lingerie, it will have very little ease in it, if any, so that it can be fitted to the body. Whereas on the other hand, a design ease is added in purely for design reasons. So it's not anything to do with how you wear it or how you move in it so much. It's more added in to be able to create a certain look. So maybe you're going to create a super oversized jumper, and that means that when you are then using your blocks to create your patterns, once you're creating your pattern, you're then adding in extra ease. So it's more ease than what you have in the block. So you'll probably still start off with these blocks which have some ease already in them, the wearing ease, and then what you'll do is start creating your sewing pattern, and then you'll add in even more ease, which will be your design ease. So those are the two different eases in sewing patterns, which will help you understand how to create sewing patterns more and understand your sewing patterns you're using as well.